A great lesson can inspire, but what if a student misses it? Without a way to revisit key moments, valuable knowledge can be lost. How can educators ensure every lesson is accessible anytime, anywhere? IQVideo LCS810 lecture capture system is designed to make this easy. With auto-tracking cameras and a ceiling microphone, it ensures that every lesson is captured and available whenever you need it. With its 15.6-inch touchscreen, navigating through recording and streaming settings is effortless. With its large memory capacity, the LCS810 supports long-term recording. LCS810 also supports scheduled recording and can automatically start and stop at set times to ensure accurate session capture with minimal manual work. Enhance your presentation with 8 layout modes and 11 transition effects, giving you full creative control. Multiple connectivity options such as HDMI, USB, and PoE ports allow you to integrate microphones, cameras, and external displays for a complete setup. LCS810 provides some options for auto-tracking camera, ceiling microphone, and lapel microphone. The flexibility of the LCS810 allows it to fit different-sized classrooms and meet the diverse needs of teachers. LCS810 is equipped with a powerful 4K auto-tracking camera that ensures clear video quality and tracks the teacher's movements, capturing their expressions and details of the lesson. Ceiling microphones capture both the teacher's voice and student interactions. This ensures that the classroom's audio and video are captured with clarity. Recording a lecture has never been easier. The LCS810 records in 4K UHD, capturing every detail with stunning clarity. After recording, the video can be easily edited, exported via USB driver, or uploaded to the school's server, making it convenient for students to watch, and valuable lectures are preserved as the school's unique teaching resources for future use. Want to go live? Stream directly to platforms like YouTube, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, allowing students to join from anywhere in real time. Perfect for large classrooms and lecture halls, ensuring every student gets a high-quality learning experience. Whether it's a regular class or a guest lecture by a renowned speaker, the system captures expert courses with ease, preserving valuable knowledge for future students. With the LCS810, classrooms can interact in real time with up to 1v9 remote classrooms. No external server is needed. This ensures smooth, high-quality collaboration between multiple locations, perfect for joint lessons and shared learning experiences. The IQVideo LCS810 lecture capture system is your all-in-one solution for hybrid learning and training, increasing learning flexibility. Upgrade your lectures today. Visit our website www.iqboard.net to learn more and get started.